We will be creating an outline on a sticker. Open Canva, go to Create Design. Choose the custom size. You can put any dimensions here. Now click on Create New Design. Upload any image you want. I will be taking this ghost face file, which is with the transparent background. To make it look different from background, I will be choosing this solid green color background. To add an outline, go to Edit Photo. In the Effects panel, click on FX Effects and choose Shadows. Here, we can see that there are 3 options. Choose the outline option. You can control these parameters as per your desired output. Set the blur to 0, angle to 1. I will be making it look like a sticker. So let's choose white color. And distance to 0 for a crisp outline. And there you have it. That's how you can add an outline to anything on Canva. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your designs stand out. Get creative, experiment with different colors and settings, and you'll be amazed at the results.